Scan grid aligned. Bay confirmed.
Concrete strength logged.
Zone cleared for works.
Access route secured.
Grid A1 to D6 marked.
Depth matches footing spec.
Shoring locked in. Water level stable.
Mile torque achieved.
Caps ready for pour.
Rebar spacing verified.
Curing cycle started.
Pedestal height confirmed.
Column plumbed. Torque sequence complete. All right, clear. Beam seated clean.
Joint passes visual.
Access deck secured.
Rail gauge within tolerance.
Rails locked.
Bridge sections matched.
Bridge O rails.
Wheel tracking smooth. Trolley seated.
Cable tension set.
Controls energized. Limits responding. Travel smooth end to end.
Ready for load test.
Load is airborne.
Deflection within limits.
Maintain test speed.
And stop engaged.
Unload complete.
We're going.
Adjust rail shim here.
Shim set confirmed.
Acceleration curve updated. Response looks stable.
stop.
E-stop effective. Overload trip works.
This joint.
Cab ready.
Yeah. Right.
Area cleared.
Signage complete.
Follow standard lift cycle.
Speed is correct.
All items closed.
We have completed the final safety checks on the runway alignment.
System meets spec.
We ensured everything was aligned perfectly.
Acceptance granted. Acceptance granted.
Crane in standby.
Installation complete.
Production lift nominal.
Latch secure.
Coverage confirmed. Operations resumed. Clear overhead. Clear overhead.
End of installation.
Lift synchronized.
Lower 5 centimeters.
Load released.
Controls responsive.
Wear pattern normal.
Lubrication complete.
Travel range clear.
Clearance confirmed.
Cycle time stable.
The load is stable. That makes you so burn and shipping.
Load data logged.
Lift.
Sway minimal.
Precision mode on.
Acknowledged.
Load seated.
Clear.
Crane handed over.
Yep.
Night shift live.
Visibility good.
Systems normal. Moving overhead.
Log updated. Idle window.
Resuming ops.
Outbound position reached.
Load down.
Returning empty. Operations stable.
System steady.
Heavy lift system online.
Pre-op check complete.
First lift of shift.
Span travel nominal.
Load within rating.
Set it there.
Ray.
Clear, clear, and safe.
Utilization optimal.
Localization optimal.
Hold position. Resume lifting.
Tracking smooth.
Cycle consistent.
Throughput improved.
Staged and ready.
Stand by.
System steady.
Lift confirmed.
Smooth response. Easy. Hold. Out.
Load placed. Clear overhead.
All systems normal.
Clear below.
Sailing complete.
Idle.
Next lift.
Rated capacity.
Heavy duty ready.
Operation steady.
Cooperline Ball. System fully operational.
End of sequence. Subscribe, like, and share.